Hi guys, have you ever wondered why your skincare products are not nice on you? Anything you use on your skin are not just nice for you, but rather it gives you pimples, it gives you dark spots, hyperpigmentation, dries your skin, disrupts your skin barrier. But once your friend uses it, it will be so wow, so beautiful. Has that been your issue? Then you need to watch this video to the end. Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while and I've missed you guys so much, but guess what, I am back. My name is Barbara Udezwe, popularly known as Babs Naturals. And are you looking for solutions as to why your skincare products are not working on your skin? Then you need to keep watching this video. Number one reason why your skincare products are not working for you is lack of patience. So some of you will get skincare products and you use it for 3 days and be like, it's not doing anything for my skin. Or after 7 days, this product safe, I'm not seeing anything. You will not dump it. That's how your money will be going now. You buy this product, buy that product, buy this, buy that, buy this. But guess what? You should have one thing in your mind. Every skin takes 4 to 6 weeks to renew itself. So you cannot judge a product in 3 days, in 1 week, in 2 weeks too. You should at least allow a product work on your skin for like 4 to 6 weeks. Even if you see yourself breaking out, your skin might be purging, which is all the bacteria in your skin are like coming out to your face, you'll be breaking out and all that. It does not mean the product is not nice on you. You cannot judge a product except you've used it for like a month or 6 weeks. So number one reason why your skincare products are not working for you is the fact that you don't give your skincare products time to settle in, to repair your skin, to give you that glow that you're looking for. So when you purchase any product, just mark your calendar from the first day you start using that product consistently till the 6th week, and I promise you, you're going to see a very beautiful change. Before I forget, there are some people that have light skin that anything they use on their skin, maybe in 1 week, in 2 weeks, they'll start seeing changes. Don't use that to judge your product. That it took your friend 2 weeks or a week or 6 days for his or her product, which you are also using, to look so nice on the person, does not mean the case will apply to you also. So just do the rightful thing, which is waiting 4 to 6 weeks. And trust me, when you wait 4 to 6 weeks, you make one decision, either to dump the product or to continue the product. So don't judge your products, or else you've used it for at least 4 to 6 weeks. Hey, this one is the highest. Another issue some people have is in layering of their skincare products. Hi God, I can't emphasize on this enough. Like, some people will literally want to have their base and they will carry scrub and scrub their skin, then they'll go ahead to bathe. No, that is totally wrong. The right thing to do is to bathe. After bathing, then you scrub your skin and rinse off, no matter the scrub you're using. That is the best way to use a body scrub. Another issue is people that use their serums after their moisturizers. What exactly is the problem? When layering your skincare products, you layer from the thinnest to the heaviest. Here is how you do it. If you have cleansers that you use before you bathe with your soap, then you first of all clean your face or your makeup with your cleansers. This can come in form of oil cleansers or micellar waters, any of the above. When you're done cleansing your face, then you go ahead to bathe. After bathing, you spray your toners. After spraying your toners, then you go ahead to use your serum. After your serum, then your moisturizer. Now, another thing in layering your skincare product is you should at least give each product a minute to absorb into the skin. Don't just layer the yapaka. I beg, give each of them time to at least absorb and enjoy your skin, you know, at least a minute. Then another thing is, if you can, take like a minute to massage your serums. Massage it evenly round about your face. Don't come and, that's not the best way to apply your serums. Same with your moisturizers. Just take it easy. This life na jeje, where are you rushing to? So when you're done applying your products, give each product at least a minute. Massage it into your skin. Even your soaps, massage your soap into your skin for at least a minute. You should layer your skincare products the right way for you to get the best results. Hormones. God, this is the Judas of skincare. Our hormones can be betrayers. Hormones, like maybe if your stress level is higher at a certain point, don't expect your skin to remain the same. Or you know, ladies, that time of the month when you're, you know, sometimes your skin, no matter the product you use, your skin is still going to break out. So consider it normal and wait till when such is over. Or you look for a way around it, like eating more of vegetables, like drinking of water and all. You cannot compare when you're going through stress to when you're living your baby girl lifestyle. Like if I'm stressed now, maybe with production and all that, I will expect my skin to be the same as to when I'll just sit back and be receiving the cash, receiving the money, going on vacation, sleeping 6 to 8 hours. Baby girl, it's not the same thing. So your hormones also have a role it plays. So if you want to battle your hormones when using your skincare products, then you should resort to taking vegetable when your hormones setting. Take enough vegetable, especially vitamin C rich vegetables and fruits. Take enough water and try your best at any point you get to rest, relax, and have like a little nap. Try to sleep so that your skin will not know when it is stressed and when it is not. I'm sure some of you are like, how possible is that? Baby girl, baby boy, it is possible. All you need to do is to find your way around it. Take enough antioxidants, supplements, enough water, enough fruits, and trust me, your hormones got nothing on you. Some of you, I love this scrub. My scrub, the way it makes my skin feel. You will now scrub Monday, chaka, 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 Tuesday, chaka, 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 Wednesday. Hey! My sister, pity your skin. Pity your skin. Over exfoliation is part of your problem. Do not over exfoliate your skin. Like, why would you want to do that? You should scrub your skin at least 2 to 3 times weekly. No matter how beautiful, no matter how smooth that scrub makes your skin feel. My sister, my brother, take a break. Sometimes your skin needs to breathe. Over exfoliation can lead to dryness of your skin, and it can also lead to acne. I'm sure you're shocked by this, right? Even if that your scrub helps prevent acne, please do not exceed 2 to 3 times weekly of using your scrub, no matter what, no matter how beautiful, no matter the holy grail in the product. Please, 2 to 3 times weekly. Please. Over exfoliation might lead to dehydration, which will lead to acne, also known as pimples, and then you'll be wondering, what happened? And maybe that period you might get maybe a product like a cream or a moisturizer that will be so nice on your skin. You'll now be exfoliating, and you'll be breaking out, and you will dump that holy grail of a cream, thinking that is the issue, not knowing that is that scrub, that beautiful, that scrub that gives your skin that smoothness is the reason why your skin is breaking out or your skin is drying out. So the best thing to do is, if you have been over exfoliating and no product is working for you, or you have been over exfoliating, I will tell you to at least give your skin 1 week to come back, to breathe, to receive fresh air, to remember that he has his time to be alive, then you can continue with your routine. Remember, exfoliate only 2 to 3 times weekly. Hey loves, don't worry, I'm not done with you yet. This is just the first part of the video. Just chill, relax, turn on post notification, subscribe to this channel, share to your friends, for the second video is on its way.